Welcome. So in front of me I have the ZEPP E, or however you pronounce this, Z. I think the exact name is ZEPP E Square, just because of the design right here. But anyway, now if you're wondering what the brand is, and this is formerly Amazfit. So anyway, let's just open it up and see the device. There we go. Okay, so there we go. That's basically what we have in the box. We have a longer version of a strap. Now this seems like a leather, though I'm not exactly sure if it is leather. It just feels a little bit cheapish. It might be something like a one of those pleathers, fake ones. Not organic. What's the actual like name they're calling it? But it seems a little bit weird, kind of like a dryish, almost foam-like feel to it. So that's not necessarily the best kind of feel to have for your little strap, but anyway. Now the watch itself has a nice design. I have to say, I do enjoy how it looks like. Let's see if we can turn it on without needing to connect it to a charger. But it looks like that's not going to be the case, so I do need to rip that open. So it's a little bit weird that to open it up you do need to rip this, like, come on. And it's not even like ripping correctly, come on. So there we go. Just gonna connect it to computer right here, just so I can get it some juice, and hopefully it will turn on. Oh, like that. There we go. And as you can see, it automatically boots up. So there we go. Oh, it was completely dead. I guess that would explain. So quickly going into just the screen right here and a couple, I guess, features. We have a 1.65 inch display with a resolution of 442 by 348 pixels. Now it is going to be using the Amazfit ZEPP application that you need to connect it to. It is compatible with Android and iOS. If you want to use that with either one of those, you can. And that's honestly all the info that I can find right here. There's very minimum info on the box itself. I grab it. So we do have a 500 milliamp hour battery, I believe, MA. On a Bluetooth, the device has a Bluetooth 5.0. Sadly, it's nothing a newer one, like 5.1 or 5.2. I believe it's the newest one. Could be in 5.3 nowadays. The reason I'm mentioning this is because, for instance, 5.2 will have a better battery life. Just the connection with your device takes less power from the device, well, this one specifically. So you could have it run for a little bit longer when having it connected to your phone. And obviously it's 5.0, so that will be a little bit shorter time. Anyway, that's basically all I have to say about this device. I don't think I can turn it on while it's charging, and it is completely dead, so that's a little bit of a bummer. But anyway, So with this, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.